Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the interior lights, fuses and relays are located, this is also known as dome lights, fuses and relays. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stand till the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, the interior lights, dome lights, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Now guys, both of these models are built on the same platform. The main difference is the Tahoe is shorter than the Suburban, so it should apply to both models. And quick reminder, there is 5 different fuse boxes that are hidden all over the SUV. 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's okay, but we made a special helpful video to help you out. It's on our YouTube channel. It's called Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban Fuse Box Location and Diagram. What we need to do first today, open the driver door. Come to the side, okay, to the side of the dash guys, here. On the very side of your dash here you have one cover, pry it open, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Guys, for the interior dome lights now, there is very limited information. Practically in the fuse box diagram doesn't say which fuse it is. So there is 2 options. It's part of the, most likely, of the BCM functions. That's the body control modules that controls everything about the car body. Now, in that case, we'll recommend to check your BCM fuses guys, where they're located. Let's explain that thing now. First thing that you want to check is fuse number 10 right here. Then go to fuse number 11 and fuse number 19. After that you need to go to the passenger side. The same thing needs to be done. You have that cover pried open, and here guys, okay, you have another fuse box that looks very identical. And that fuse box, you need to check fuse number 13. You need to also check fuse number 19, 38, 46, 47. Guys, there is limited information, but hopefully those are the fuses that you will need to check, and the video will be helpful as well. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck guys in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.